What's up guys, Robeytech here in beautiful Miami, Florida. We are here shooting a live stream for Origin. I have no idea what they have planned on top of that. I heard good food, some incredible entertainment. You guys are gonna get to check it out over the course of the next couple days. Let's get going. I just want to make this super clear that they made me wear this outfit the whole time, but we do look really good. Okay, so let's get started. What do we have left to set up? Oh, not much. It's not bad. This is where we left off last night. So pretty much we have all the cameras set up, lighting's already on. We're going to be basically building an entire PC. So this is one that is essentially our benchmark one. So this is going to be our AMD system that we're going to be benchmarking against. You can see that we have our benchmark station. And I'm here with Adam and Alex. Why don't you guys talk a little bit about what you do and why you're here at Origin?
Yes, so my name's Adam. I'm the Influencer and Partnerships Coordinator here at Origin PC. I'm responsible for delegating with people when they come to the Origin PC headquarters. I also coordinate with other partners and stuff like that about keeping them up to date with what we're doing on a daily basis and just overall keeping everyone in the same pace, same time frame and stuff like that.
I'm Alex. I basically do all the content at Origin, everything you see on social media. I probably shot it. I do all the YouTube stuff, make this come to life, so that's basically what I do at Origin.
I think it's pretty funny. I don't know if you noticed this. He's being very humble, but he's got a giant, like the largest ring I have ever seen. And I went to a military school, and this ring, show this ring. This ring is so big, and he wears it everywhere. Actually, I don't know if he knows this, but he actually walks like halfway down most of the time. So I was like, at first I thought he might be a hunchback, but like, no, it's really just the weight of his ring. Who's the coolest influencer, besides me, that you've had a chance to work with so far?
I've started my process of working with Linus. Linus Tech Tips is a really cool one I've started working with. And J2 Cents. Those would be the top two people I would say that I've started to work with. The
top two, okay. Look at me, third place. I'm third place right here. I don't even make the top.
But you're here live in person, so you jump.
And so far, these guys have been awesome, and you're probably going to see a little bit of this vlog. We've had really good Cuban food. We ate an incredible, meal.
5-course meal.
Yeah, 5-course meal.
Amazing.
Like it's been awesome so far. But the other thing too that is super rad is this wall of games that are behind me. Some of you guys may know this, but I actually was a game developer for 20 years, and there are games on this wall that I have worked on. So games like Rise of Nations, we have Halo, there's Age of Empires on here. It's been very nostalgic, just like kind of looking at this wall and then getting to do all this stuff. And the only two is I really appreciate that you guys let me borrow the Wi-Fi so I can download Forza Horizon 5. So I'm going to be playing this in my hotel and stuff like that. So pretty stoked, because my laptop's actually Origin as well. So right. I don't know, not everybody knows that, but I was pretty happy about it. And I saw Bitlit had like this really rad design on it, so I really appreciate just getting a plain one. Thanks, really appreciate that, guys. You guys are the best. Just kidding, I like you.
You're all right.
Okay.
Are we sitting up here the whole time, or are we going to be moving around?
So, what are we looking for? For Doc Solar?
The audio on.
Yeah, that's good.
I just want to make sure. Hey guys, we're in the final steps of setting up here. Justin's over there in the stream room getting ready for the stream, getting everything all prepped and stuff like that. While he wasn't looking, I was able to take his laptop, take it away from him. It's a little bare on the front. There was no logos or any images done on there. So wanted to go and take it to the UV team and get some images done for him. We're gonna end up surprising him at the end of the stream and see what he thinks, but I can't wait to see how it comes out and I can't wait to see his reaction.
My name's William. I pretty much run the customization section of Origin PC. Give me an image you like. I got a lot of creative freedom. I can print on anything from glass to acrylic to straight metal. After that, my job is pretty much done.
What's up guys, Robeytech here with Marcus from Intel and PJ from, he's Origin. Free, from Origin. We're gonna be building PCs, we're gonna be giving away PCs live now, twitch.tv/Origin.
Origin PC.
Okay, well then let's do that again. Origin PC.
3, 2, 1, live.
What is up, guys? I am here at Origin. Guys, so much celebration right now because we are doing so many Alder Lake PCs that I never get to build. For those who don't know, I know who you are. We've hung out together. We've had a really good time, had an amazing meal together. But who are you?
That's a good question. I ask myself that every day.
It's like, Huge shout out, number one, to two unsung heroes, Adam and Alex. And even though you heard Adam a couple of times, they have been back here. We made a very, very complicated setup for them, but they handled it like heroes. Thread director, thread director, thread director. Have a great night, and we will see you guys on another episode.
That's a wrap.
There you go. Good job, you guys. Good job. All right. Congratulations.
Killed it. Thank you very much.
We're on Pretzel Rock right now. We're playing.
Appreciate it. Your energy is like unstoppable. I'm like, he's gonna get tired, but nope. Kept going. So I know you talked about grabbing a t-shirt before you leave. So 1 second, you got some shirts.
Cool. I hope mine's extra small because it makes my curves look really good. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
He probably went home.
DJ had to take care of his dog.
Oh, okay. Well, a huge shout out to him.
Thank you.
Going from there.
I'm too lazy to, figure things out from here. But take a look in there, especially Justin. Take a look.
Yeah.
What is this?
Oh, what is that?
Whoa! Holy cow! Look at that!
That's amazing.
That is amazing.
You found something even better than a t-shirt.
Look at how that looks awesome.
Next
That came out
stream.
so nice.
Next
That came out
stream,
so
yeah.
nice.
All right.
Tom Brady.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it. That's awesome. What's up, guys? Just had a wonderful breakfast right here on South Beach in Miami. It has been an absolutely awesome, awesome trip. I want to give a shout out to Origin. I want to give a shout out to Kevin. I want to give a shout out specifically to Alex and Adam for making this so amazing. Guys, we had awesome Cuban food. I finally got to basically try some of those crazy stone crabs. And then all in all, we had a great tour of Origin. We got some really cool stuff with them coming up here on the channel. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I see sun. I hate to leave it, but I got to go jump on a plane and head back to Seattle. Hope to see you guys on the next vlog.